Mrs. Mobley, and in this video, we're going to take a look at what it's like to turn in your Google assignment in your Google Classroom. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we go to Google Classroom and we're signed in with the correct account. So this one is Kermit's. Then we go to our Google Classroom and check out our classwork. When you see an assignment, you'll notice if you click on the name of the assignment, it will always have a View Material or View Assignment button at the bottom of that assignment. This is an incredibly important button. This is the key to everything. If I don't click on that, it will simply open my slides. It will not give me any option to turn those slides in. But if instead I click View Assignment, you'll notice that it has the directions, the points, a magical turn in button, and access to my slides. If I click on my slides and I get my work done, my teacher asked me to complete a slide about my favorite fictional character. I'm going to click back on the tab of my Google Classroom. We're not clicking Share, we're clicking the tab where Google Classroom is. And now I can click Turn In. And that assignment now goes to my teacher's Google Classroom and counts that work as done. Now, if for some reason you find out that you forgot to put something important, or your teacher gives you feedback, or your family says, oh my goodness, you forgot to do this one thing, you do not have to open the slide and ask for permission. What you need to do is go back to your Google Classroom, go to your classwork, and again, be in the habit of clicking View Assignment. Now that I'm here, you'll see I have the option to unsubmit my assignment, and now I can go back and work on it. So if I forgot something, I can go and add a great picture, or I found out that the age of Psyduck is 41. And now I'm going to go to the tab, boop, and I'm going to click Turn In. Ta-da! And now it'll go to my Google Classroom. And that's how you turn in an assignment using Google Classroom.